Hi, my name is Isabella Costello. I'm 12 years old and I just finished 7th grade. I am from Jackson County, Minnesota, and this year for my 4-H 2020 project, I decided to do flan. Flan is a dessert that is mostly found in Spanish-speaking or Portuguese-speaking countries, and once in a while you will find it in France and Italy. The science behind flan is egg coagulation, which is the hardening, thickening, or gelatinous of an egg. That means it just thickens up, and you cannot decoagulate an egg, bring it back to a liquid. And I thought that was very fun to learn while making my project. But the reason I did choose this project was because my mom is from Peru, and that is my favorite dessert from Peru, and I remember her teaching me how to make it. So I thought this would be a fun project to do with my mom. And that's why I decided to do it. Thank you. I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To make the flan, we will be using 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, half a cup of sugar, vanilla extract, and 5 large farm fresh eggs that are room temperature. What we are going to be doing now is we're going to make a caramel for our flan. We are going to add half a cup of sugar, and we are going to put the stove at medium-high. Now I'm going to stir the sugar until it caramelizes. Now we will be pouring the hot caramel on the bottom of the pan to set. We will be pouring 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of condensed milk. Did you stop crack? 5 eggs. Now that you have your 5 eggs, you will pour them into the bowl. I'm going to add half a cup of sugar. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. In a hand mixer, we are going to stir everything together. Now we're going to use an orange as a zest. We're going to use the smallest part of your cheese grater, and what we're going to do is you're going to grab your orangest orange that you have, and you're just going to keep on doing this. But once it turns white, you are going to switch to another side to get the flavor. We have our orange zest in. We are going to lightly fold it. Now we're going to pour it into our do is you're going to grab your boiled water and put it into a pan. Now you're going to place your flan into the hot water. Now we've placed it in a preheated oven and we are going to let it bake. Now I am going to place a piece of tin foil over the flan. Timer at 50 minutes. Now we're going to check our flan with a knife, and if it comes up clean, it's ready. This is the second time we're doing it because 10 minutes before it did not come out clean. There it is, clean. Now what we're going to do is we're going to wait till this water cools. Then we're going to grab a knife and cut around the edges. We are going to grab this platter and put it on top and flip it. Then what should happen is it should be a nice shape. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run the knife around the edge of the flan.
Fast.
This is my flan, my 4-H project for 2020. And some things I'd like to add is you can use any garnishments you'd like. We usually put fruit on top of it or whipped cream. You can keep it either in the fridge or at room temperature, and you should eat it within 48 hours. Well, that's been my 4-H project. Thank you very much. So this has been my project, and today we decided to garnish it with gooseberries, and I'm going to try some. That's very good. Thank you.